Hi, this is Saket, and today we are going to review the trades taken on 1st and 2nd of March. So yesterday we couldn't post a live video due to various reasons, and I thought it would be pretty late for me to post it today. So what we rather decided is I'll just be giving you the brief summary of what happened yesterday, and then we'll continue with the today's trade summary. So yesterday was more or less a range bound day, and we ended with a 9,900 rupees loss, almost a 10,000 rupee loss. So the trades which we took at 10 o'clock went under loss, and we did manage to recover some money from 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock trade. So this new margin system has started to affect us because the leverage has reduced significantly, and the quantities which we could go, we as usual just entered lot of quantities, and then we realized, okay, we can't do that without hedge positions because now the margin has increased. And we did anticipate something like this would happen, but we still tried our luck to see if we can go without hedge position, but that was not possible. So you can see on the screens the position of yesterday. So we did end with a loss of 10,000. So today again, as usual, we took 3 trades, one at 10 o'clock, 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. And today was also a V-shaped move. So the markets opened around 300 points higher. So I'm talking about BankNifty. So it opened around 300 points higher. Then we saw some severe profit booking where BankNifty fell around 400 points, almost around 500 points from the high. And it came all the way to 35,100, and later bounced back around 300 points, which is a clear V-shaped move. And as you all know, if there's a V-shaped move, we'll be going under loss. And that is what exactly happened today as well. So you might be wondering that we have slightly reduced our quantity from 1750 to 1250 for the morning trades. That is mainly because there is a lot of volatility and the premiums are very high. So we are scared that in case if the stop loss gets triggered on all 4 sides, the loss which we'll be facing will be quite huge with such amount of volatility and premiums. So that's the reason we have kept our quantity little low. And this was with respect to 10 o'clock trade. So it would have triggered the stop loss on one side. So when the market fell, the PE stop loss got triggered, as well as the CE buy leg, PE sell leg, as well as the CE buy leg, the stop loss got triggered, and then the market bounced back, which took us to a huge loss. And 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock trades were quite favorable because the market was consolidating throughout, and only during the last minute there was some up move. So apart from that, there was more or less complete consolidation, and it was quite favorable. And these 2 trades are the ones which actually helped us to cut down our losses. Otherwise the losses would have extended much further. So overall today we ended with a negative. So you can actually see the video as it's playing. So initially after it hit the stop loss around 11 o'clock, so we did go into profits because the market continued to fall, and we did go into profits of around 1,80,000 to 2 lakh. And then there was a full day of consolidation. Actually, after the market fell, it bounced back little. Again, we went to losses, and again around the time of 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, when the market started crashing again, we had gone to profits. And then there was a whole day of consolidation. Then we started to see some bounce back, which took us to losses. So this is, as you all know, part and parcel of the game. So we have seen profits, we have seen losses, and we do post it on YouTube live. So today was such a day when we lost around 1,60,000. Yesterday we had lost 10,000. So the March month we have totally lost around 1,70,000. So compared to our average profits, our average losses are much smaller, because when we usually make profits, we'll be making in the range of 2.5 to 3.5 lakh. So that is all the entire game of trading is about. Even though you have a 50-50 chance of winning, you make sure that when you win little bigger than what you lose. So as the video is playing in the background, we'll also discuss some general market stuff. We did see some huge fall coming on Friday, and market crashed almost around 1500 points, that is BankNifty, and Nifty too crashed around 600 points. So one thing I would like to say is I firmly believe that we are in a bull run, and there's absolutely no need to fear such market crashes. In case if you haven't purchased any equities, it is a very good time to add on to few. So the market already bounced back today and yesterday, so it was a great time if you could have purchased some equities on Friday. But if you haven't, you still have some time, because we have just now started the bull run, and it won't be surprising if we do see all-time highs in a couple of months to come. So see which are the good stocks, add on to some. I personally at Optionables we personally have added few, and yeah, so that is with regards to market. And when you're in a bull market, such corrections are completely okay, or completely on the expected lines, because when the market rallies 20-30% in within few months, you do expect at least a 10% pullback. So that is with respect to markets. And yeah, and we are also considering to do a positional straddle, which we still haven't done, at 15,000, because we do expect market to trade in the range of, that is March end 15,000 Nifty, because we do expect the market to trade in the range of 14,200 to 15,800 for the entire month. So this is our expectation, and we are considering to do a straddle at 15,000. So that is with regards to the positional trades which we'll be taking. So apart from that, there's nothing much to be said. As you can see, by now we would have hit a loss of around 1.6 lakh, and we would have booked everything. And yeah, so as I repeat in all videos, the only reason why we do this is to be as transparent as possible and show our P&L to everyone. And hope you guys have liked this video. Please do share this to many people, so actual traders do get to see people who actually trade, because there are many cases where you see people telling that calls of 90% accuracy, 95% accuracy. So that is something you really don't require when trading. Even a 50% accuracy call does great job as long as you're winning big than you're losing. So this is our main motto of doing the videos, just to show that in a trading journey you are going to have both profits and losses, and overall you can if you are consistent with your strategies, in the long run you will turn out to be a winner. So there is link to Telegram as well as Twitter and Instagram down below in the description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also you can join those other social media channels as well. Thank you for joining. Please do share the video.